Welcome guys. Let's do Ultimax token technical analysis and price prediction. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and please watch this video complete. Current rank of this token is 260 and price is $283 right now. Market cap of ALCX token is $271 million. Fully diluted market cap of ALCX token is $442 million. 24-hour trading volume of this token is 19 million and circulating supply of this token is 957,000. Maximum supply of this token is only 1.5 million only. Total supply of this token is only 1.13 million. This is very low cap altcoin. All-time high of this token was on May 11, 2021, about 8 months ago, and price was 11,000. All-time low of this token was on December 20, 2021, about 20 days ago, and price was $176. It is available on these exchanges: Binance, FTX, Gemini, Coinbase. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange or FTX Exchange, just go to this video's description or comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces. These bounces are tradable and you can trade with these bounces absolutely free. But only condition is that first you have to deposit. You can trade with $4,100 in Bybit absolutely free, and you can trade with $4,100 in Phemex absolutely free. But only condition is that first you have to deposit. Put your seed money away and trade with only this bonus. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let me please show you website of this token. Rewriting the laws of finance. Self-repaying loans. Spend and save at the same time. Generate, automate, redeem. And this is some technical information. Please visit this website by your own. And please do your own research before buying this token. These are strategic partners and trusting investors. These are. Let me please show you first chart. This is ALCX USDT pair 1 hour chart, and this yellow line is main trend line. Currently price is at $281. Price have to break this main trend line. After that, price can hit this zone. This will be the first resistance price can face at $296. Once price break this, in that case, next target is 330, 380 and 409. These white lines are overcoming targets. And if price break this towards downside, this horizontal support, in that case, price can go down to 252, maybe 230, maybe $200 price zone. These blue lines are over support lines. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. 1 hourly EMA ribbon is bearish and candles have to break $300 price zone. After that, upside rally definitely will begin. And let me please hide this. And let me please show you MACD. MACD crossover towards downside is about to happen, and this is a bearish sign. Maybe price can down. Maybe can down to this zone, $270, maybe $252. And let me please arrange this. And let me please show you some fib levels for trading. Let me please arrange this chart. Here you can see currently price respecting this zone 0.78 fib level, which is $272 price zone. Price bounced back several times after hitting this zone, and that is a good sign. But if price hold this, the next price zone is $304, which is 0.61 fib level. After that, 0.5 fib level, which is $326, and 0.38 fib level, which is $349 price level. And if price break this $272 price area. In that case, next zone is 0.88, which is $253 price area. Let me please show you daily chart. In daily, price is at 281. This white line is strong support and it is at $270 price area. Candles have to hold this area. Here you can see several times price touch this zone, and after every touch price bounce back. Here you can see, here you can see, and also here you can see. That is why this is very important support zone. If any case price break this zone, then price can go down to $175 price area, which is also a very strong price zone. Let me please show you daily EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon candle is still in between this EMA ribbon. Candle have to close above $295. Once candle closing above this line, in that case definitely upside rally is about to begin. If candle closing below $270, daily candle closing below $270 means price can retest $175, maybe $170. Let me please hide this and let me please show you daily MACD. Daily MACD crossover towards downside is about to happen, and this is a bearish sign. If this cross happens, in that case definitely price will go down to retest this zone $175 price area. And let me please show you some fib levels for trading, and let me please arrange this. Let me please do this. Here you can see candle respect this $0.78 to $70 price area very much, and once it break this area $0.78, which is $308 price zone, in that case next target is $370, $413, $457. These all are fib levels. Note down these fib levels, and if in any case price break this 0.88 fib level, in that case price can go down to 229 fib level, which is also a strong support, and this is next fib level 229. If price bounce back from here, price will have to hit $308, $370 and $413, and after that $457. These all are coming targets. And let me please show you weekly chart. In weekly it is in this broadening wedge pattern, and here you can see after every touch of this upper trend line price bounce back, and after every touch of this trend line price bounce towards upside. Here you can see, and also here you can see. Sorry for that. Here you can see. Now what is next? I think maybe price can hit this zone $190, maybe $200. If price goes down, then this is strong support at this level $170. And if price move towards upside from this zone, in that case price can hit this zone, which is $630, but it will take some time, maybe some weeks. Price can hit this zone, and this is the last zone. And if price break this zone, in that case price would be move like this. Let me please show you. In that case price can move like this, and price can easily hit $1,150, maybe $1,200 price area. But for this move, candle must have to break this upper trend line, and it is very strong resistance this time, and candle must have to break this. We have to wait until for this breakout. Once this breakout comes, in that case it can easily hit $756, $926, $1,041 and $1,170. These all are coming targets, and if price drop from here, then 170 is a strong support for us, and it is very strong support. $170 price area. This area is very strong support because of this broadening wedge support line, and this is very important. And let me please show you some fib levels in weekly. Let me please arrange this. In weekly, we are in bearish zone. It have to cross $663 price area and have to break this 0.23 fib level. Once it break this, after that 0.38 fib level, which is $962 price area. After that 0.5, which is very important, $1,200 price area, target of this broadening wedge. And after that 0.61, which is $1,400 price area. Currently, this token is very bearish, and price drops, let me please show you, approximately 92%, and it is perfect time to buy this token. If you buy at this time, this will be the very good decision, I think so, but please do your own research. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to claim these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section or description where you can find these links. Click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces. These bounces are tradable. You can trade with $4,100 in Bybit, absolutely free. You can trade with $4,100 in Freemex, absolutely free, because this is bonus. This is tradable bonus. Only condition is that click on these links and register your accounts. After registration, you have to deposit. After first deposit, you can claim these bounces, and after that, you can trade with these bounces. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.